Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add custom GIFs to Instagram comments. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Instagram and go to your post or reel you want to comment on. So once you do this, you can find this GIF like feature. Simply tap on it and tap on GIF. Once you do this, you can simply search for the GIF. However, if you want to do a custom GIF, then you need to first of all upload your custom GIF to Giphy. Giphy is an app to create your custom GIF. So once the Giphy gives you an approval, you can simply be a part of Giphy searchable library. So now you can simply follow the steps mentioned to add a GIF to a comment. Search for your custom GIF using the tag you have added in it and then select it to post it in the comment section. So this is how you can simply add custom GIFs to Instagram comments. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.